This is how to quickly access option charts of your stocks on TradingView. So this is the chart of NVIDIA, and let's just type NVDA on the keyboard, pops up symbol search. So you see from all the choices here, I can choose options and click on NVIDIA. This pops up NVIDIA options. Calls to the left, puts to the right. I can choose the expiry here on the top and scroll left or right. Let's go with December 18th, 2026 expiry. And I click on that. Which strike do I want? I think NVIDIA stock will drop, let's say. So I want the $180 strike puts. And if I click on this, then it gives me the chart of the December 18th, 2026, $180 strike put on NVIDIA. And this is the daily chart of that option. So you see, if I actually paid for options data, I wouldn't have the delayed data here. The little icon, data is delayed. To get real-time data for options price reporting authority, please buy the real-time data package. Doesn't matter, you don't need this. So this is how you can access option charts on your TradingView. Now let's do it again. Microsoft, you click on it. I want September 18th expiry 2026. You see this line here, it just tells you at what price Microsoft is right now, $480.50. So if I buy a $485 call, that means it's in the money, if you understand basic moneyness. And you can see how volatile options are. Went from $2 to 36, then back down to 12. Options W quickly allows you to save this option, so you can save it for easier retrieval at a later point. So this is how you can view option charts on TradingView. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more cool trading videos.